Hello friends, welcome to Gupta Education World. Today's topic is on prevention from coronavirus. Now we start the video. Corona, stay up, Dorona. Stay at home, stay safe. If you have any important work, then only go outside and wash hands at least 20 seconds with soap or use sanitizer. Do not touch your nose, eyes and mouth. Play with your family. If you have office work, do at your home on laptop or mobile. Download your office work application. Teachers, tell your students to do their work on online studies on different applications like Google Meet, Zoom, etc. If you have a fever or other diseases, check yourself and go to doctor. If anybody comes at home, please sanitize their hands. If you want to go outside, please cover your mouth and nose with mask or handkerchief and then go outside. Do yoga at your home every day to prevent from corona. Okay? Do vaccination at proper time. Don't be scared. Please don't touch dirty things also. Otherwise, we lose the match against coronavirus. If you like my video, please share it to your friends and family members. Also subscribe my video. Thank you. Bye bye.